Alright, so what's up everyone? Marutyunjay here, and we're diving deep into something that's been on my mind, and probably yours too, leveraging AI to actually generate income in the coming year, specifically 2025. It's not just about cool tech demos anymore, it's about practical applications that can put money in your pocket. The landscape is shifting fast, and the tools that are emerging are genuinely game-changing, making it easier than ever for anyone, regardless of their technical background, to tap into new revenue streams. Forget needing a computer science degree. We're talking accessible, powerful AI. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 specific AI tools that I've seen people genuinely use to make money right now, and these are poised to be even bigger in 2025. We're not talking about vague concepts, these are actionable strategies. I've done the research, looked at the use cases, and I'm here to share what I believe are some of the most promising avenues. The goal here is to equip you with knowledge that you can actually implement, whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build something more substantial. So, if you've been wondering how to get started with AI-powered income generation, or maybe you're just curious about what's out there beyond the usual suspects, you're in the right place. We're going to cover a range of tools, from content creation aids to video automation and even AI art generation. Stick around because I think you'll find at least one, if not more, of these tools incredibly useful for your financial goals next year. Let's get into it. So, kicking things off at number 1, we've got a combination that's become a real powerhouse for content creators and digital marketers. ChatGPT paired with Canva. This isn't just one tool, but a synergistic duo that streamlines the entire content creation workflow, from ideation to final polished visuals. Think about the sheer volume of content needed today. Social media posts, blog articles, email newsletters, presentations. ChatGPT can handle the heavy lifting on the text generation side, and Canva makes the design aspect incredibly accessible. Let's talk about ChatGPT first. You can feed it a simple prompt, like write 5 Instagram captions for a sustainable fashion brand, or outline a blog post about the benefits of remote work, and it will generate surprisingly coherent and often creative text. It's not perfect, mind you, and you'll always want to edit and add your personal touch, but the time it saves in brainstorming and drafting is immense. Then you take that text and bring it over to Canva. Canva has democratized design, making it possible for anyone to create professional-looking graphics without needing to be a Photoshop expert. They have thousands of templates for literally everything. Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, infographics, presentations, you name it. You can easily import the text generated by ChatGPT, choose a template, customize the colors, fonts, and images, and within minutes you have a visually appealing piece of content ready to go. The integration of these two is where the magic really happens for efficiency. Now, how do you make money with this? The most straightforward way is by offering content creation services. You can package your offerings on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. For example, you could sell 10 Instagram posts with captions and graphics or monthly blog content packages. Businesses, small and large, are always looking for high-quality content, and many don't have the time or in-house resources to create it themselves. You become their go-to content solution, powered by this AI-assisted workflow. Alright, moving on to tool number 2, and this one is all about Pictory.ai. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, especially a faceless one, or if you want to repurpose existing written content into video format quickly, Pictory is incredibly interesting. Its core function is to take text, like a blog post or a script, and automatically transform it into a video complete with stock footage, voiceover, and captions. The way Pictory works is pretty straightforward. You can upload an article URL, paste in your script, or even use it to edit existing video by transcribing it and then editing the text. The AI then analyzes the text, breaks it down into scenes, and pulls relevant stock video clips and images from its extensive library to match the content of each scene. It also offers AI-generated voiceovers in various styles, or you can upload your own. This automation is key to producing video content at scale, which is often necessary for growth on platforms like YouTube. This allows you to create and upload content much more frequently. Aiming for 5 to 10 videos a week becomes a realistic goal, rather than a daunting task. And more content often means more views, more subscribers, and faster monetization through YouTube ads. The key is to find a niche you're interested in, create quality scripts, and let Pictory help you maintain a consistent publishing schedule. Next up, tool number 3 is Opus Clip. And this one is laser-focused on a huge trend short-form video. If you have long-form video content like podcasts, interviews, webinars, or even longer YouTube videos, Opus Clip uses AI to automatically identify the most engaging, viral-worthy segments and then reformats them into short, shareable clips perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other similar platforms. This is a game changer for content repurposing and maximizing your reach. The core technology behind Opus Clip is pretty smart. It analyzes your long video for key moments, looking at things like topic changes, emotional peaks, and engaging dialogue. It then intelligently cuts these segments, adds auto captions, which are crucial for shorts, and even reframes the video to fit the vertical aspect ratio preferred by these platforms. This saves an incredible amount of time compared to manually scrubbing through hours of footage to find those golden nuggets and then editing them down. So how do you monetize this? One major way is by selling video repurposing services. Think about all the creators, businesses, and coaches who produce long-form content but don't have the time or expertise to effectively chop it up for social media. You can offer a service where they send you their long videos, and you use Opus Clip to generate a package of engaging short clips for them each week or month. This is a high-value service because it helps them reach a wider audience and get more mileage out of content they've already created. Tool number 4 is Notion, but specifically, Notion AI. Now, many of you might already know Notion as an incredibly versatile all-in-one workspace. It's like digital Legos. You can build almost anything, from simple to-do lists to complex project management systems and personal wikis. What Notion AI does is embed artificial intelligence capabilities directly within that workspace, making it even more powerful for content creation, organization, and even product development. Notion AI can help you in a multitude of ways. For content creators, it can brainstorm ideas, draft outlines, summarize long documents, rewrite text in different tones, and even translate content. Imagine you're planning your content calendar for the month. You can use Notion AI to generate blog post ideas based on a keyword, then create outlines for each, and even draft initial paragraphs, all within your Notion planning database. For freelancers or solopreneurs, Notion AI can be a huge boon for productivity. You can use it to help manage your client projects, track deadlines, and even draft communications. For instance, if you need to write a project proposal, Notion AI can help you structure it and generate some of the boilerplate text. It's like having an intelligent assistant built into your primary organizational tool. And finally, tool number 5 takes us into the visually creative realm: AI image generation tools, specifically Leonardo AI and Mid-Journey. These platforms allow you to create stunning, unique visuals simply by typing text prompts. You describe what you want to see: a cyberpunk cityscape at sunset, photorealistic, or a whimsical forest scene with glowing mushrooms, digital art style, and the AI generates an image based on your description. The quality and creativity of these tools have exploded recently. Both Leonardo AI and Mid-Journey are at the forefront of this technology, though they have slightly different interfaces and strengths. Mid-Journey is often praised for its artistic and often surreal outputs typically operated through Discord, while Leonardo AI offers a more web-based interface with a range of models and fine-tuning options, making it quite accessible. The core idea is the same text-to-image generation that can produce anything from photorealistic images to abstract art, character designs, and intricate patterns. So, how do you turn these AI-generated visuals into income? One popular route is selling them as printable art or on print-on-demand products. Think posters, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. You can generate a portfolio of unique designs using Leonardo AI or Mid-Journey, then upload them to platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify. When someone buys a product with your design, the platform handles the printing and shipping, and you earn a commission. This requires an artistic eye for curating good designs and understanding what sells. So, there you have it. 5 AI tools that are not just hype, but are actively being used to generate real income, and are set to be even more impactful in 2025. From crafting compelling content with ChatGPT and Canva, to automating video creation with Pictory, repurposing content with Opus Clip, organizing and creating with Notion AI, and even designing unique visuals with Leonardo or Mid-Journey, the opportunities are definitely there. The key is to pick a tool or a combination that resonates with your skills and interests, and then to start experimenting and learning. The world of AI is moving incredibly fast, and it can feel overwhelming, but hopefully, this breakdown gives you a clearer starting point. These tools are designed to be relatively accessible, meaning you don't need to be a coder to start leveraging their power. The real skill is in understanding how they can solve problems or create value, and then applying them consistently. Don't be afraid to dive in, try the free trials, and see what you can build. The potential is huge, and it's really just the beginning. So, which of these tools are you most excited to try out, or perhaps you're already using one to make money? I'd love to hear about it. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And of course, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and hit that like button, share it with someone who might benefit, and definitely subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on future deep dives. Oh, and don't forget to grab the free AI toolkit I put together. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.